Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a Palm Springs Dollar Tree shop with me. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's just jump right into today's video. So unfortunately, friends, the beginning of this clip audio got cut, but what I was trying to say was that I had a weekend getaway in Palm Springs and I wanted to stop at a local Dollar Tree and see all the new finds that I could find. It looks like as soon as you walk in, they have all of their sandals here. And they have all of their summer toys, some of their 4th of July items. If you haven't seen my full Dollar Tree 4th of July items video, I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. With all of the summer Dollar Tree items, I'll go ahead and link both of those below for you guys. Although these here are new, I haven't seen these. They're little stirs, you get 4. They have one that is a flamingo, they have cactuses, one that is a pineapple. Along with all of the graduation items, I'll go ahead and link all 3 videos below if you haven't seen them. I do go into all of the items in depth. I also see these beautiful floral arrangements with butterflies. I haven't seen this before. These are beautiful. They also have this one here. Also, good job to Dollar Tree in Palm Springs. This is probably one of the most organized book sections I have ever seen at any Dollar Tree that I've ever gone to. Makes it really easy to look at all the different books that they have. I love this. I also saw this cute little notebook with the cactus. It says free hugs. I love the little pom-poms on there. And then they also have this one here that says be kind with a little cactus. I love that. I love these here. Oh, this one is a magnetic list pad. Super cute. I also have these beautiful clipboards here. I like this one here, look at this one's nice with the paisley at the bottom. You also have this purple one. And then these new desk organizers. This is like a little pencil pouch. And then they also have this one here. They have this black one as well. These are really nice. And they also have this one here that matches the big totes that they used to have. So these are pretty. I also love how this store still has their Valentine's Day display out. Very cute. I also noticed these giant pastel pink and gray bins. These are absolutely huge. It's bigger than the ones they've had before. These are really nice. Put them back here. They also have these scented potpourris that are different colors. This one here is brown and green. And then they also have this one here that's kind of like a mustard yellow. And then they have this one here that's more of like an emerald green. Oh, this one's eucalyptus. This is lemon zest and thyme. They have a coconut and citrus. These ones are all coconut and citrus as well. I also see this new glass here. It says, "This is my wedding planning glass." So cute. This one says, "Good things will happen. Quarantine and chill." They have a bunch of different ones. And some of these really cute magnets. This says, "Life is what you make it. Radiate positivity. Have a beautiful day. Love served up family style. Bless our home." And then they also have these pet friendly. They have these really cute apples. They're ceramic. They have green, white, and red. They also have a very nice and well-stocked Crafter's Square section. I love that this whole aisle is just Crafter's Square. Everything is full and fully stocked. I wish my Dollar Trees back at home look like this. I also love that they're fully stocked on all of the gold wired baskets here, along with the acrylic ones. I love this one here. It's a very nice size. You can use it in all kinds of different spaces in your house. This hair accessories section, it is so stocked and very well. No mess at the bottom. I'm so impressed with this Dollar Tree. And this new item that I found here are these gorgeous headbands. It comes with a black velvet one and a really nice and shiny leopard print. So I definitely need to get 2 of these, one for me and one for a future giveaway. So hopefully one of you can go ahead and win one. So a new item that I just saw is by Sassy and Chic. It's a cuticle remover. I definitely need these because I do my own nails, so I think they'll really come in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3. I also found this end cap with a bunch of new hair accessories. They have these beautiful headbands by Scunchie, and I love the little print. Oh, these are actually wired, so you can go ahead and change the way that these will be in your hair. I love that. So I'll be picking up 2 of these, one for me and one for a future giveaway winner as well. I also have these headbands here, and also the Goody blonde hair ties, along with the little jaw clips. They also have the brunette headbands and these beautiful scrunchie and headbands set in polka dots in black and also navy. They also have these clips down here as well that we've seen before. And up here they have some nails. They have these here. And I'm actually seeing this new Kiss glue. So these are really interesting. I love how skinny the tip is, so this would be really nice to apply. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. I also spotted some more of these Hard Candy Glitter Vibes palettes. They have a bunch down here, and it looks like these are the only ones that they have. I also have the Wet n Wild Cushion Color Correctors. This is for dark circles. This one brightens dullness. And they have this one here that says it neutralizes yellow. And they also carry these Wet n Wild lip glosses. This is in amethyst. And they also have this one here. This is a metallic liquid eyeshadow in You Copper Cat. They also have another metallic eyeshadow. This is Emerald Glaze. I've seen this one before. They also have like this glittery black one. It's called Black is a New Black. This is a really pretty lip gloss in Rose Quartz. I also found a new collection of the IONI lashes. And these are, they look like they're like fruity collections. This one says a berry good cake. This one is in chocolate mousse, key lime pie. They also have grape escape, red velvet, cherry jubilee, very berry strawberry, carrot cake, lemon sorbet, Neapolitan. Let's see this one up here. Chocolate chunk. This one is minty fresh. This one here is bubble gum. I love the packaging of this one. The little sprinkles. This one is vanilla bean. And they also have orange sorbet. So this one's really cute. I love this collection. So found these Wet n Wild highlighters. This one here is in royal. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, so I'm not gonna butcher it, but it's a really pretty, like, iridescent purple. We also have these Maybelline color jewels. It's a lip color. This one is called Stripped Down. It's a beautiful little, like a nude, a deep nude color. I also found this hair color application kit. I do color my own hair, and I have one of these that I have purchased before, and they work absolutely great. It also comes with the brush. I also found these new Peds socks with the gel tab for women. It comes with 2 pair. There's a hot pink and also this one here that just says maybe yes, no on it, and I think it's really cute. See these bath treasures, really giant heart-shaped bath bombs. This one is in rose petal kisses, and they also have this other one here that is in cherry blossom. These are really big and really pretty and really nice. I also just found this new Village Naturals Therapy Aches and Pain for cold and allergy relief. I know they also have the other ones, but this is the first time I'm seeing the cold and allergy relief, so this is perfect. I also just found this 3-in-1 foaming body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in cool blue water from the brand Power Stick. So I haven't seen these before. I know they do carry the Power Stick body wash in this kind here. However, I've never seen the foaming ones before, so that's a nice find. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. Mine definitely was these big heart bath bombs. And let me know in the comments below what yours was, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.